Okay, these are spray outs, and what I normally do, oh, you can see Glenn's is up to bat next. We have a color coming in, no idea what color it is, but we're going to spray it anyway, and he's going to do the reveal. Hey everybody, Earl here at Classic Car Creations. A lot of things going on. Want to start off with, we had a field trip up to Pensacola and we got to meet Glenn. You'll see some highlights in this video as well as some updates that are going on around here. Kind of a crazy week, and it's going to be a hodgepodge video again. So you'll see me jump around, different pictures and stuff like that, different edits and whatnot. But I think you'll get a real big kick out of it. We got to meet VvTheDuckVv and Skeeter and Boomer. Also, Bill Gibson with the Christine movie car. We had a lot going on up there in Pensacola. It was a great time, great people. Mike and Susan, the transport people for Christine movie car. You'll get to see them in blips as well. And Wild Bill, you'll get to meet him as well on here. Didn't get a chance to see David Hardy. He was very busy, and we didn't have a heck of a lot of time. We were on the road Friday, and we got up there about 12 a.m. Saturday morning. We were rolling full day Saturday, full day Sunday, and then we came back Monday afternoon to get back here and get rolling again. So, and this week has been absolutely crazy. Had a lot of updates going on, rotation of cars and whatnot. So anyway, that is what's cooking here. I just wanted to let you know, and check out a couple of the clips from Pensacola.
Trying to puke.
Mm-hmm.
Glenn! I put the passenger door on for you, but I didn't get that for you.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. That looks cool. Hey, Glenn. Very nice.
I'm just gonna make a mark. I've got a little
Very nice.
rubbing situation right
Yeah.
here that I need to fix it.
Just let you know, when we body work and we level her out, I'm going to take away some of your clearances. So if you over clearance something, I can clearance it again.
Oh, that's all on you then?
Yep.
No worries. Oh, this door was actually done. That wasn't my bond over.
Oh, okay.
Most of that's probably going to come off because the door has a belly on it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shoot
So,
you.
that door was not from this car. That door was not from this car at all. Yeah, up here was. I actually grafted on an upper from a different car. The reason why is the windows on an earlier Beetle smaller. The later Beetle, these pillars are much thinner. They did a lot of special work in here, especially up through here. This pillar, they're normally not equal in width. They're usually real skinny here, and they look so stupid, so I made it equal.
Okay.
It's just one of those things. If people notice it when they look at it, like slanted pillars, it's like, yeah, and they're the same width. And then they look at the car next to it, and they go, what the hell's wrong with that? So that's stock.
Cool.
That's what we got.
Very nice.
Door's all work. It's got an early handle on it with a late mechanism. I meshed those two together and made that work. There was nothing on the internet about it. I had to figure that out on my own. Apparently just nobody does that. I got a brand new set of handles. So don't worry about them being floppy or anything.
Yeah.
They work, but I got brand new chrome.
Nice.
Just didn't want to do any grinding near them because you know what
Yeah.
happens.
everybody, this is the 56 Chop Top Oval of Glenn's. We are here to map it and go over everything.
Yeah, a beam. Yeah, run a beam.
And we like what we see. We got left and right. I'm digging it. We got some work. When you watch the video of this on YouTube, it does not do this car justice until you see it in person. Once you see it in person, you understand what he's been going through. This guy's been very methodical. Glenn is amazing. I'm impressed. When you make something from nothing and you get all your lefts and rights pretty damn close, like the way he's got it, and it's on a jig, and the driveway is sloping downhill. Like, what is that, a 5%? That's an easy 5% grade. There's our rental. That's Bill. He's the duck man. And that's my wife, Christy. That'll give you a perspective of the driveway. This guy's got to roll this out. He's got to break everything out to set up. Today was a rainy day, Saturday, and he had a tech session today, and we finally got a chance to hook up. After the tech session, we crashed a little bit, Bill, Christy, and I. And then we finally, it's late in the afternoon, it was very nice to roll this out so we can look at it real close. Oh.
Hi, Skeeter.
Skeeter.
Oh my gosh, Skeeter and Boomer.
Be good, Boomer.
Oh, Boomer.
Movie stars.
He's really jerky.
Oh.
He does whatever he wants when he wants. And Skeeter, on the other hand, she's allowed to do it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
They're cute.
I'm gonna put him down.
Okay.
'Cause he smells a little bit.
Hi, Boomer.
What you doing, Skeeter?
Hi, babes.
He might bite, just a warning.
That's all right.
He's a
Bites and
nibbler.
humps, combination.
I'm a
Oh.
Wait, you gotta stay this way.
Trying to wander back in.
Hey, come on. I got you.
Got a mind of his own.
This way.
Well, he just does whatever he wants.
Oh my
He's a jerk.
gosh. Oh.
He also, feather in the mouth. He also tries to be the alpha.
Yeah.
Thinks he's the boss.
Oh,
And I have to remind him all the time, no, you're not the boss.
Oh my gosh.
But this one's a sweetheart. She's always been good. 17 years a good ducky.
After we're done doing both video vlogs, we gathered up Glenn and we took him to the ale house, and everybody rendezvoused there, and that's where we met up with Wild Bill and Susan and Mike, and of course Bill Gibson.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Good? Definitely different. She's going for a second piece. Must be good.
that was cool.
The third and the other one. I think one piece would have. You think? One piece,
Yeah,
Bill?
we tried a little piece of it, and I immediately knew this isn't right.
So that's a little quick blip of what we did at the ale house dinner. Let's show you what's going on here quick and we'll wrap this video up. Over in the bay over here, this is our high bay. This is Project LS. I'm be switching all the front end pieces out. We're putting tubular upper and lower control arms in, doing Viking coilovers. I'm probably going to do a tech video on this and how to R&R and take all the stock suspension out and upgrade it all. So that's what this car is going to get, and I got a lot of rags and stuff. We just uncovered it today and put her up on the lift. And we have to get this car, after we're done doing all the upgrades, get it back over to the paint booth and tape it all up, mask everything, and then start going after the quarter panels and doing an initial mock-up on the car. So that's what's going on with Project LS. Let's check out what's going on in the booth. Okay, here's Hank's truck. Since last time, I actually grafted these in. And this is the other half. I made this piece of glass there on a sheet, and then I was able to graft that into the fender. So now this matches that really nice, and then the hood will close right down on it. See how they originally had it cut? Whoever the other shop was didn't do it any justice, but now we have that corrected. Now I fabricated all the mounts. We're going to weld all that stuff in, and we're going to make our mount points right there. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to set that puppy on down. But that's where we're at. We're moving this truck out of here tomorrow, putting it on the flat. We're going to open up the booth so we can start processing every part we can put through here. We're going to be reblocking doors, fenders, another set of doors right over there, 57, and there's Doyce's hood. We welded up all the corners and everything. The top half is almost done. Tomorrow we're going to continue on that hood and getting that ready. So that's what is cooking over here in the booth. We had a lot of crazy work going on. You can see the MIG welder here because normally we don't use it in here, but we had to get that hood processed. So we're really close on Doyce's. So anyway, thank you all for checking in, subscribing, hitting the like or whatever, dislike, whatever you don't like. But I'm going to do the best I can to show people what goes on in this shop. I like a business that stays transparent with its clients and people who watch. And it's a learning experience for me doing all kinds of cars. And I don't do just one make or model. I do all kinds. And it's something that I'm just going to continue with until we can't do it anymore. Again, everyone, thanks so much. Take care. It's the Nissan Puke. Look at that.
That looks like almost a P used in Plymouth, doesn't it? The Nissan Puke.
Puke.